With the Cintas Head and Hand Protection Program, each employee is individually assigned an arc-rated face shield with a hard hat, a balaclava, safety glasses, 2 pairs of voltage-rated gloves in 2 different colors, a glove bag, and leather protectors. All you need to do is issue all your employees 1 color set of gloves for the initial service interval, and then store the other color set of gloves until that first time period is up, which should not exceed 6 months. Also, with our proprietary offering, at any point in time, if you want to access your gloves testing report, just simply scan the QR code on the glove and you will receive quick and easy access to see when they were last tested. Then, when your first glove color service interval is over, collect all those gloves of the initial color and distribute the second color for your crew to use. After that, simply package the first color set of used gloves with the glove retest form and send them off to the third-party testing site. Cintas then takes it from there, obtaining the retesting certification and handling the replacement for any gloves that fail recertification due to normal wear and tear, all without any additional cost to you. After the gloves are retested and certified, they are returned by Cintas and ready to be stored until the next service interval rotation comes due. Our weekly service sales representative is there with you every step of the way, and you can add or stop employees to the program at any point in time. The service sales representative will even deliver a weekly invoice that clearly lists all your employees and the specific NFPA 70E PPE and apparel you selected and individually issued for them. It's as easy as that. For more information, please visit cintas.com/head and hand protection or speak to your local Cintas representative so that we can help you get ready for the workday.